Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert mark lines in Excel. Okay, I apply these two methods. First method, first type your text and last site hold Alter, press enter. Again type your sentence or paste sentence, hold Alter, enter. Another way to insert this line, simply right click mouse, insert rows or column, add rows or column. I enter row or column as a wish, enter row, then click OK. Now see this added, enter row. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.